Hi all, I'm really excited to welcome you to this session on SAP production planning, or as we all know, SAP PP. So think of this session as a journey into how companies plan and control their entire manufacturing process, from raw materials to finished products, all in one smart system. And trust me, once you see how SAP PP works, you will understand why it's a game changer for industries worldwide. So moving on, I will give you a quick introduction about our company. So VSS was started in 2023 and we are officially registered with both the Andhra Pradesh and central government. And we have trainers with having experience of 20 years of industry experience. We are committed to delivering high quality training from the very beginning, and we are our innovative and personalized software training programs are designed to enhance your skills and support your professional growth. While we operate training centers in Vijayawada, Hyderabad, and Nagpur, we understand that travel may not always be convenient to overcome this, we also provide online training courses in software development, allowing you to learn from the comfort of your home. So why choose VSS? First, we have expert trainers with industry experience. We give 24 by 7 server access for training period. We have comprehensive post training support and give affordable and transparent pricing. So understanding ERP. So what is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So you can think of ERP like a smartphone. So ERP is a software system that integrates an organization's core business processes into a single unified platform. It's like a central nervous system for your business, ensuring seamless data flow and communication. So ERP is like a centralized system that connects departments such as finance and accounting, human resource, manufacturing and production, supply chain management, sales and marketing, inventory and warehouse management, and at last procurement and purchasing. So you could think of ERP like a smartphone. You could carry a calculator, camera, notepad, and calendar separately. But why? When a single phone integrates all those apps together. So that's what ERP does for a company. Instead of finance, HR, sales, and manufacturing working in silos, ERP brings them together into one system. So when sales gets order, production knows immediately, and finance can track cost in real time. All departments access a single shared database, enhancing communication, reducing data duplication, and providing real-time instance. So moving on, we will know about what is SAP. So as we all know, SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. So SAP is the world's leading provider of ERP software developed by the German company SAP SE. It's a comprehensive suite of business software designed to manage and integrate various business operations and customer relations for companies of all sizes. So SAP, as we all know, it's like the Mercedes Benz of the business software. So moving on, we have ECC. So ECC is the older and stable version. So it stands for ERP Central Component. So this is the traditional core ERP solution known for its robust functionality. Next, we have S4 HANA, that is SAP Business Suite S4 SAP HANA. The next generation ERP suite optimized for the in-memory computing. So this is the newer one, the faster one that runs on a high-speed database called HANA. For example, with S4 HANA, a company making smartphones can analyze customer demand and production capacity in real time, just like refreshing your social media feed. And then we have HANA, that is high performance analytic appliance, SAP's powerful in-memory database technology enabling real-time data processing. Next, we have types of data in SAP. So in SAP, there are three main types of data. Master data, this is like your Aadhaar card. So you have your permanent identity. So for SAP, it's product details, supplier info, etc. So this changes very rarely. And it, for example, in SAP is material master, master. Then we have transaction data. So for example, this is like your shopping bill. It's created whenever a transaction happens. So this is a day-to-day business data and it changes very frequently. In SAP, for example, sales order, invoice, PO. And then we have configuration data. This is system settings and rules. This changes very occasionally and basically this is done by the consultants. An example for this is order types and number ranges. So this is like the setting on your phone, like they define how the system should work. So these three work together to keep everything organized. Next, we will learn about the evolution of SAP, like the history of SAP. So SAP was found in the year 1972 by five former IBM engineers. So SAP AG has continuously innovated to stay at the forefront of the enterprise software. So in the year 1973, the R1 was launched. In the year 1979, R2 released. In the year 1992, R3 launched, major global ERP. And then moving on, in the year 2004, we have NetWeaver introduced. In the year 2010, we have HANA database launched. In the year 2015, we have S4 ERP launched. And from 2020 to now, we have the SAP has focused on cloud, AI, and intelligent enterprise. So, for example, factories now use AI-powered SAP solutions to predict machine breakdowns before they even happen. So, this saves huge repair cost. So, what SAP boasts both the functional and technical modules catering to all aspects of the business management. Next, we have SAP types of SAP projects. So implementing and maintaining SAP involves various project types, each with its unique scope and challenges. First, we have greenfield implementation. So it starts from the scratch with a new SAP system. So it's like building a house from the scratch. And then we have brownfield implementation. So this is migrating an existing system to S4 HANA. So for example, renovating your old house. And at third, we have rollout project. So it deploys an existing SAP template to new locations. For example, expanding the same house design to the other cities. At fourth, we have support projects. So this is an ongoing maintenance, troubleshooting, and user assistance. So this is like for real life example, I can give you like doing maintenance when the pipe leaks in your home. And at last, we have upgradation project. So this is like upgrading to a newer version of SAP software. In a real life example, that is adding a smart home system to your house. So each project type has its own challenges, but SAP professionals handle them. Next, we have key SAP application module. So as we all know the applications like to some extent, so SAP's strength lies in its modular structure with each module addressing specific business function. We have finance FICO, that is financial accounting and controlling. We have sales and distribution SD, order to cash process. We have material management procurement, inventory and supply chain, production planning PP. This is our demo session about. So manufacturing process, quality management QM, quality control and assurance, warehouse management WM, inventory movement and storage, human resources HR HCM, employee management, customer relationship management CRM, customer interactions, project systems PS, project planning and execution, and at last we have plant maintenance, asset management and maintenance. So as we all know, SAP is modular. Each module is like a department in a company. So for finance, we track the money, sales and distribution is customer orders, materials management is buying raw materials, PP is like making the products, and HR is managing employees. So in real life example I can give you is imagine a car factory. So sales takes the car order, materials buys steel and parts, the PP schedules the production, quality ensures the car is safe, and then finally we have finance that calculate the cost. So that's what SAP is working together. Next, I'll have give you a brief introduction about SAP PP. So SAP Production Planning Module is a pivotal component within SAP ECC and S4HANA, serving as the backbone for efficiency manufacturing operations. It empowers businesses to meticulously plan, schedule, and control all production activities, ensuring optimal resource utilization and timely delivery of goods. So this has core manufacturing hub centralizes comprehensive planning, detailed scheduling, and precise control of all production activities. And then we have integrated ecosystem. So SAP has this, so it works seamlessly with other modules like MM, SD, QM, and PICO for end-to-end process visibility and efficiency. So now let's zoom into SAPPP. So this is the heart of manufacturing. It helps companies plan when and how to produce goods, making sure machines, people, and materials are used efficiently. In real life example, if a biscuit factory needs to produce 1 lakh packets before Diwali, SAPPP ensures raw materials arrive on time, ovens are scheduled, worker shifts are aligned, and delivery is on schedule. Moving on, key features of SAP PP. So, SAP PP provides a robust suite of functionalities, each designed to manage and optimize specific aspect of your production cycle, from initial forecast to final product dispatch. So, at first we have demand management. So, it forecasts like predicts and strategically manages demand for manufactured goods. Bill of materials, that is BOM, accurately defines the hierarchical structure and components for finished products. Then we have routing, outlines the specific sequence of operational steps required for production. And at last, we have production order execution, facilitates the creation, scheduling, and execution of discrete production orders. Then we have MRP, material requirements planning. It calculates precise material and resource requirements based on demand. Next, we have work center management. It effectively manages production capacities, resources, and associated costs. And then we have capacity planning, analyzes and levels work center capacities to prevent overloads and bottlenecks. And then we have shop floor control, that it monitors and manages real-time production activities, ensuring smooth operation. So I'll explain you in short. So demand management is like predicting how much to produce, like Flipkart forecasting the festive demand. And then we have the MRP, that is ensuring materials arrive just in time. Then BOM, that is recipe of the product. For example, to make a pizza, we have ingredients like dough, cheese, toppings, etc. And then routing, the step-by-step cooking instructions. We have work centers, that is ovens or machines where the work happens. Then capacity planning, making sure no machine is overloaded. And at last, production orders like a kitchen order ticket in a restaurant. So all this ensures smooth and efficient production. Next, I'll explain you about SAP PP process flow. So the SAP production module orchestrates a streamlined workflow, meticulously guiding raw materials through each stage of manufacturing to finished goods. Each step is designed for efficiency and precise control. So the first step is demand management. Forecast production needs based on sales data and market trends. So this is like the predict demand, like forecasting how many iPhones will sell, for example. And then we have MRP run, generates planned orders for required materials and components. So we run MRP to check what materials are needed. Then we have BOM and routing. So this defines product structure and detailed production steps. So BOM and routing is like for the defining the structure and the steps. And then we have production order creation. So it authorizes and initiates the manufacturing process with a formal order, like creating a production order simply. Then we have order release, permits the physical execution of the production order on the shop floor. So it releases it to the factory floor, for example. Then we have execution and confirmation, tracks real-time production progress and material consumption. So so workers execute and confirm the progress. Then we have goods movement, records the receipt of finished goods and consumption of raw materials. For example, the raw materials are consumed and the finished goods are recorded simply. And then at last we have the order settlement. So it finalizes cost and financial postings associated with the production order. So the finance are at last finally settled. So this systematic flow ensures seamless execution and accurate record keeping across all stages. So this ensures nothing is missed and everything is traceable. Moving on, seamless integration of SAP PP. So SAP connects with other modules. So SAP PP doesn't operate in isolation. Its true power lies in its deep integration with other vital SAP modules. This interconnectedness ensures data consistency, real-time updates, and a holistic view of business operations. So first is material management, MM. So automates material procurement and inventory, ensuring components are available precisely when needed for production. Next, we have SD, sales and distribution. Connects customer sales order directly to the production demands, aligning manufacturing with market needs and delivery schedules. Then QM, quality management, enforces rigorous quality checks throughout the production process from incoming materials to final product inspect. Then we have FICO, finance and controlling, enables precise costing, financial postings, and profitability analysis of all production activities for robust financial oversight. So SAP BP connects with all these modules. So MM ensures materials are ready. SD links production to customer demand. QM ensures quality at each stage. And finance tracks every rupee spent. So it's like a cricket team. PP is the captain, but without bowlers, that is MM, batsmen, that is SD, fielders, QM, and management, that is finance, the team can't win. So this comprehensive integration eliminates data silos, reduces manual effort and significantly enhances overall operation efficiency. Then we have the strategic benefits of SAP PP. So why do companies love SAP? Is because it reduces waste, improves deliveries, tracks cost in detail, and gives managers live updates on production. So implementing SAP PP translates into tangible improvements across your manufacturing operations, driving efficiency, reducing cost, and enhancing strategic decisions making capabilities. So first is resource optimization. It ensures efficient utilization of machinery, labor, and raw materials, leading to reduced waste and maximized output. Next, we have optimized schedules. So it generates precise production schedules, minimizing bottlenecks and significantly improving on-time delivery performance. Then we have enhanced visibility, provides end-to-end transparency across the supply chain from raw material supply to finished product delivery. And at the second last, we have cost control and transparency. So it offers detailed cost tracking and analysis, empowering better financial management and identifying areas for saving. And then we have real-time monitoring, allows for instantaneous tracking of production progress, enabling quick responses to deviations and issues on the shop floor. At last, what is the agenda of this SAP PP demo? So this demonstration that I have given will walk you through the core functionalities of SAP PP. So illustrating how each step contributes to an optimized and controlled manufacturing process. So what this is just a demo. So in your training sessions, you will see what is master data setup at first. So it is like configuring essential foundational data, that is bill of materials, BOM, work centers, and outings. Next, you will see about the demand management, that is creating and managing planned independent requirements to align with future demand. MRP run, executing material requirements planning to generate procurement and production proposals efficiently. And at fourth, you have production order creation, converting planned orders into executable production orders ready for the shop floor. And at last, we have the order confirmation and goods movement, that is confirming completed production activities and accurately recording all materials movement. So this will show you SAP PP in action. Driving manufacturing excellence. So SAP PP is more than just a tool. It's a strategy for excellence. So it automates, integrates, and gives real-time insights. With S4 HANA, it's ready for the Industry 4.0, smart factories, IoT, and AI-driven decisions. So in short, it helps business stay ahead in a competitive world. So we have streamlined production. So SAP automates and integrates key processes, significantly reducing manual effort and potential errors. And SAP is empowered planning and execution. So SAP provides real-time insights for informed decisions and agile response to market changes. And at last, we have it is future ready with S4 HANA. So it leverages advanced capabilities of S4 HANA for seamless Industry 4.0 integration and innovation. So thank you so much for being here. I hope this session gave you a clear practical view of how SAP works and why it's so powerful for businesses. If you would like to stay connected, we are available on Instagram and we have showed you our official website. And of course, you can reach us directly at our phone number 888 and you can scan the QR for the Instagram account. So we are always welcome for the queries or any questions you have for us. So thank you for this.